toothpaste for this grill, and, well, the headlight.
I'm gonna share with you some helpful tricks to keep the inside and outside of your ride clean. Drive-through car washes are super convenient, but they're actually not the best when it comes to preserving your paint job. Those brushes can actually leave small scratches on your car and cause damage over time, so best to manual wash. Cleaning your car doesn't have to be a big chore. You can use a manual car wash like this, or your driveway, of course. This is so much fun.
Instead of using a hose, which can be wasteful, conserve water by just filling up a bucket. Don't use household soaps and detergents. Instead, use a soap that's made for your car. Those are gonna do the best job preserving your paint and exterior.
Now for the soap. Scrub those dirty tires. Washing your own car is not that much effort, and you get it done the right way. It's best not to let a lot of dirt build up on your car. That's gonna be bad for your paint long term. If you make cleaning your car part of your routine, it'll be easy every time. My car really needed this. It's actually really satisfying to wash your own car. No matter what car you have, take some pride in it and get it done yourself.
Don't use an old rag. These are gonna leave behind lint and residue on your vehicle. Instead, use a clean microfiber cloth. It's also good to make sure you're using a different rag on your tires than the rest of the vehicle.
Cars are notorious magnets for dust, lint, and hair.
And mine's no exception. I got crumbs everywhere.
To get every nook and cranny clean, all we need is a few brushes.
You can use something like a crafting brush to get those vents clean, which is probably the hardest thing to clean in your car. A dry brush is great for dusting, but I like to add a little spray of a multi-purpose cleaner. This will help attract all those dust particles and actually clean. And it's nice to have different size brushes for different areas. For those smaller cracks and seals, you can use a makeup brush or a Q-tip. Ew. You know, sometimes just vacuuming isn't enough. So use the brush and vacuum technique. That'll get everything out of those crevices and the vacuum will suck it up. And a toothbrush works great for the seams and seats. Brushing will help loosen anything stuck in those seams that the vacuum can't get on its own. I had some friends and their dogs in my car, and now look what was left behind. Getting rid of hair and lint from your car can be tough, but I have a few tips to help you out. Conventional lint rollers do work great, but they may not be ideal for bigger messes. I might need 2 or 3 of these. A metal lint remover is going to be ideal for some fabric upholstery. This is collecting all of that lint and hair. Oh, this is working great. This is going to be ideal for upholstery like this that's a little rougher and prone to lint. Now that's a hairball. For smoother upholstery, try a squeegee. You'll also need a spray bottle of distilled water. Give that surface a light mist, don't soak it. Now squeegee in one direction. That water will help loosen up that hair, and that squeegee will release it from the fabric. Have your vacuum on standby to suck up that hair. That really works so well. Now, gotta tackle this seat. If your car has foggy headlights, we can fix that. Over time, the plastic gets weathered. The solution will make you smile. Yep, toothpaste. You'll need a clean microfiber rag and some elbow grease. Apply the toothpaste to the plastic in small circular motions. Just be sure to get that toothpaste only on the light and not on any paint. Put a liberal amount on there. Toothpaste for this grill and, well, the headlight. You can let this sit on here for about 5 to 10 minutes before we clean it off. It helps if the toothpaste has baking soda in it or add some from your cabinet. To finish up, I've got a clean rag and I'm gonna wash everything down with some distilled water. Oh yeah, that's working. Getting right in there. Depending on your headlights, you may have to repeat about 2 or 3 times. That's all it takes. It's smells minty fresh. Ooh. And as a bonus while you're up here, you can clean bugs off your grill with a damp dryer sheet. Hard water spots can get left behind by sprinklers and even after a car wash. Over time, it can become difficult to remove those spots, but you need one thing to fix it. Distilled white vinegar is what we need to take care of this problem. You can dilute that vinegar in a spray bottle with equal parts distilled water. Saturate the area with your vinegar and just let that sit. Woo! Potent vinegar, but it really works. This works great all over your car exterior. Just make sure it doesn't sit too long. Look at this car shine. Like the top of the Chrysler building. Wipe it down with a clean rag. Now it's time to get back out there and get it dirty again. Back on these dirt roads. It's not gonna stay clean forever. Thanks for watching Problem Solved. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out some of our other videos like these two right here.